like on this here.
What's wrong about
Just fucking say it, goddamn it.
some spicy ass ramen? I'm about to eat this shit.
It's not.
All in one
ramen.
setting and drink the
Samyang
juice.
noodles is different, goddamn it.
A little different. See, it's different. I'm gonna eat it all.
It's Korean.
Let's roll.
He's gonna love it because I'm fucking feeling this shit on my tongue.
I know, I'm feeling it in my fucking lip in the back of my throat still.
No, it's not that. The antibiotics that I got from my fucking shit.
Don't do it.
For some reason, it got my tongue, like the tip of it. I can't even drink soda.
Don't do it. Look at this chunky boy.
Someone go fucking turn
Record
a
the
car
aftermath, too.
Do what?
Record the aftermath.
Oh.
You're gonna drink all that juice in there, bitch.
The straight sauce though might be hotter than the actual like liquid.
No. No.
My nose is running.
You feeling it yet, bitch? I see you sweating.
He's always sweating. He's chunky.
I see your scalp sweating, bitch.
I do got one hell of a glare off your head. It's supposed to be like a serious video and we're just talking shit the whole time.
It happens.
You're at 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Damn, bitch.
Jeremy,
Just swallow
your
my
mother.
spit.
What?
Your mother.
What's about it?
She just popped around the corner saying, Jeremy.
Oh, let's see what the hell you want.
Be quiet.
Look at his
She
face.
wants the dick. Can't get the dick hard.
Okay, before we go any further, look at the camera. How do you feel?
Hot.
It's
It's the first time you've ever felt hot.
That's
He's not
spicy.
even chewing. He's just swallowing the
Yeah.
whole fucking thing. It's not good. That's gonna hurt your stomach later.
That's why I always eat my noodles.
But I like this stuff. It feels good.
Look at him.
Sweet Willow.
That's good.
You normally do this?
Uh-huh.
You normally eat like this?
Yeah.
He's a fucking dog.
God damn.
I'll stay up all night watching you fucking die. I was about to make a comment, but I'm not gonna say it because I might have to show someone this video. I was gonna say someone's name and really fuck up.
Oh,
You should have brought milk out.
I don't need milk.
He needs some milk.
No, I'm good.
He needs a girlfriend, ladies. Anyone that's interested, you can see he can eat this spicy shit so I can eat your rotten pussy.
God damn.
Sorry. It might not be rotten, just a little stank.
A little stank.
I seen something on Facebook the other day said, women, if you know your pussy stink, take your fucking socks off so they think it's your feet.
That's true. That's true.
Brought to you by three lonely white guys and a Mexican.
Alright, what's that?
Or proclaimed Mexican.
Propane.
Propane sister.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
I see a little bit at the bottom.
Yeah, that's fairly easy.
That's gonna be.
How you
hot.
feel? How you
He said
feel?
it's hot. He said
I feel great.
You don't look great.
you don't look great at all.
It happens.
You're shaking. Yeah, you are.
Good.
Get up and walk.
It's gonna feel great if you drink a beer.
I want to see him just pass out.
Good.
Wait, let me see your hand before you go.
My
Hold it
hand.
up. Good, at least it's not shaking.
His face is.
I should have brought two. I should have brought the other one.
Good.
And you should have made two at once and then see if you can finish it.
This will make it worse.
Yeah,
You wanna
because
bet? It does.
it does.
When I first started eating these, I used to make two at a time. I learned that shit real quick. You don't do that.
Problem is that I was eating them. But the fucking sweat came from it getting my eyes. Shut up. No.